This is Premier Water and Sewer Services. We're doing a lateral inspection video at 3 Sawmill Way. We've pushed out to a blockage that we can't get the camera past. The homeowner has jackhammered up a hole in the basement floor at the top of the 3-inch drop. So we're taking a video from here back. He's had 2 other companies out to try to clean this. Cannot get through. As you can see, we're underwater. I believe we're pulling up through a drop here. Sewer is about 8 foot deep where we marked it. Come back about 20 feet or so, and it's about 4 foot deep. We pull out our water. We are from our 4-inch clay to 3-inch cast iron transition. The transition's about 5 foot outside the house. So about right there is our house line, and that will conclude our video.